my name is Jennifer Gall. I've created the Mallow Bar by Treatlux, and this is Marketing Principles Fall 2022 semester. So my corporate name and the mission statement. The corporate name is Treatlux, and our mission statement is, at Treatlux, our mission is to make society sweeter with our chocolate, one person, one bar, and one bite at a time. I chose the name because Treatlux sells the perfect treat for our consumers, and I thought it was just perfect because it already has the word treat in it. And I chose the mission statement because I personally believe that the small things can make the world a better place, and that's why I chose to spread kindness through our candy bars. The target market will be ranging through the ages of 18 and 24, so that will be Gen Z, and we're looking at a low income level. This will be sold in the Milwaukee area. And a little bit more about my target market, these are going to be young college students or people who are just starting off their career. They're sometimes looking for something sweet to take away the stress that they have in their life, and they also look for food items that are of good quality but with a low price. So my candy bar name is the Mallow Bar, and the main ingredients are marshmallow fluff, graham cracker, milk chocolate, sugar, and vanilla extract, and then it's going to be 2.07 ounces. So the cost of production will be 70 cents, and then the wholesale cost to the retailer will be $1.20, and then my profit will be 50 cents and 41.6%. The SRP to the consumer will be $2, and then the retailer profit will be 80 cents and 40%. So while there aren't that many s'mores candy bars in the candy bar market right now, these were the top two competitors that were the most similar. So the first one is going to be the Rocky Road S'mores Candy Bar. The main ingredients include milk chocolate, cashews, malted milk crunch, and graham cracker, and it's priced at $1.99. So my bar is different because it's bigger, and it also doesn't have the cashews or the nuts, and mine solely focuses on that s'mores flavor from within. And the Rocky Road S'mores is found in retail stores like Michael's. And then my second competitor will be the Charleston Chew. The main ingredients are cocoa, corn syrup, milk protein concentrate, and then they are priced at $1.79. So the Charleston Chew contains a different type of marshmallow. It's going to be more of like an artificial marshmallow rather than something that's authentic. And the Charleston Chew is also, once again, smaller in size. And they are found at Walmart's and Five Below's. So I will be selling the Mallow Bar at 7-Eleven locations because there's 4 locations in the Milwaukee area, and 2 of them are within 2 miles of the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. And then the second retail outlet will be the UWM Restore, which will be located in 2 of the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee's housing buildings. And as you can tell, my main focus is getting it within a walking distance or within just a close distance of that university, because we are so focused on selling to college students. So my SWOT analysis. My strengths are going to be that the Mallow Bar is a unique bar, and there's not many authentic s'mores flavored candy bars on the market right now, so that means that we'll have lower competition for similar bars. And also, the selling locations of the Mallow Bar will be easy to access for college students. So my weaknesses are going to be that we are focused on that low income demographic, so we may lose profit if the price is set too high. The price of the Mallow Bar, once again, is $2, which is higher compared to the competition. And this bar is also an unhealthy snack. It's going to contain high calories, which will be seen as a negative from the current health-conscious generation. Some opportunities. So this link is to an article that's talking about how the Asian Pacific region holds the largest share within the candy market. And it could be an opportunity for growth within my company if we were to expand that into the Asia Pacific region. And the reason that it has the largest share is because it has a growing population, which is leading to a higher demand for candy. There's also just a general opportunity to expand the Mallow Bar into new markets. Starting off in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, it's already a large area, so we could expand the bar into new areas and eventually sell it in different countries. Some threats would be that the competition for candy bars in the market is increasingly high, which poses a threat to my candy bar. it'll require continuous analysis and innovation to the bar and the market. And then the health-conscious generation also is a pretty big threat because they would not choose our candy bar over other candy bars that will have lower calories or lower sugar amounts, just things that they're looking at we might not have for them. My slogan is going to be "The s'more the merrier" with the Mallow bar, which really focuses on the main feature of the Mallow bar being a s'more in a candy bar. And it's really just focusing on the fact that, once again, we don't have a lot of candy bars that are s'mores flavored in the market right now, so we want to bring light to that. We have created one. So medium promotions. Some magazines that Gen Z are likely to read would be People, New York Times, Time, and Vogue. And then names of TV shows would be The Office, Stranger Things, Friends, Grey's Anatomy, and Rick and Morty. And then types of music that Gen Z listens to is going to be hip-hop, rap, and R&B. And so for social media platforms, Gen Z is really focused on TikTok and Instagram. So that would be some platforms that we would want to get into right away. Some consumer promotions. So a type of coupon that we would do is buy one, get one half off. Sweepstakes would be that there would be a website on the packaging of the candy bar for the customer to open and submit an entry for a chance to win a gift card. And then contests, comment to win. This would be a contest posted on our social media platforms where viewers would engage in the post and have a chance to win. Some sales would be limited time price reduction to $150. And then displays. We'd have an end cap designed to promote the Mallow bar. It would include an eye-catching design that would be specifically focused at Gen Z. So trade promotions to retailers. Allowances. The retailer will get 20% off their order if they run their own promotion to the Mallow bar. Display money. If the retailer buys 6 cases and displays 2 of them on end caps, they would get $25 off. And then ad co-op money. Resellers will get a discounted price to market my products. And then this is my candy bar wrapper. I wanted to focus on keeping it more simplistic. I wanted to go with a very nude, just dulled down color. I didn't want it to be too bright or overpowering. You can see I've got the candy bar name right in the middle with the slogan, "The s'more the merrier" with the Mallow bar. We've got the corporate name in the top left, and then we've got my s'mores image on the top right, and then we also have the net weight. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.